Looking for a reliable pickup? Check out this 2012 Toyota Tacoma Access cab with low miles for its age. This truck has dealer service history, current Georgia state emissions, and includes the original books. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile warranty, plus a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price. At the time of sale, you can even ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty. We understand that buying a car is a big decision, and we're committed to offering transparency. That's why we encourage pre-purchase inspections and provide complete service history. Please note, price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, so take advantage of this fantastic offer while you can. Don't miss out on this well-maintained Toyota Tacoma. Visit us today and drive away with confidence, knowing you're covered by our quality-backed warranty and service plans.